Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of wooden barrels. Now these handsome devils are more than just rustic decor. They're the unsung heroes of aging, adding layers of flavor and complexity to everything from a fine Kentucky bourbon to a tangy balsamic vinegar. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding how to keep your barrel leak-free is essential. We're talking about the difference between a smooth, flavorful finish and a sticky, disappointing mess. So grab your toolkit and let's get started. Now, before you even think about pouring in your precious liquid gold, we've got to talk about seasoning. Think of this as your barrel's very first spa day. This crucial step ensures those wooden staves are nice and swollen, creating a tight seal that'll keep your spirits in and those unwanted leaks out. First things first, give your barrel a good rinse with clean water. We're talking a thorough cleansing here, folks, no shortcuts. This removes any dust or debris that might be hanging around from the cooperage. Now, it's time for a little detective work. Fill that barrel up with water and let it sit for at least 24 hours. This gives you a chance to check for any leaks or drips. Don't worry if you spot a few, it's perfectly normal. For those stubborn leaks that just won't quit, try hitting them with some hot water. The heat helps to expand the wood, encouraging those staves to tighten up. All right, folks, our barrels are seasoned and ready to go. Now, let's talk about their environment. You see, wooden barrels are a lot like Goldilocks. They need everything to be just right. That means finding the sweet spot for humidity. Too dry and the wood shrinks, leading to leaks. Too humid and you risk mold growth. Not exactly the flavor profile we're going for, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Alton, how do I control the humidity in my basement? You don't need a fancy humidifier, my friend. A simple spray bottle filled with water will do the trick. Just give your barrel a light misting every few days, especially if you live in a dry climate. And whatever you do, keep it out of direct sunlight. Those UV rays are murder on wood, drying it out faster than you can say evaporation. So, you've seasoned your barrel, you've got the humidity just right, but you're still seeing a few stubborn leaks. Don't hit the panic button just yet. We've got a couple of tricks up our sleeves. First up, good old-fashioned melted wax. Now, I'm not talking about the stuff you use on your car. We need something food safe. Beeswax is a great option, or you can find special barrel wax online or at your local homebrew shop. Simply melt the wax down in a double boiler. Safety first, folks. And carefully apply it to the leaking areas using a small brush. The wax seeps into those tiny gaps, creating a barrier that stops leaks in their tracks. For those really persistent leaks, you might want to bring in the Big Guns barrel sealing wax. This stuff is specifically designed to handle leaks in wooden barrels and creates a super strong seal that can withstand even the most stubborn drips. Now that our barrels are leak-free, we can't just leave them sitting there like a forgotten fruitcake. Nope, these babies need some TLC. First and foremost, we got to talk about rotation. Imagine this. Your barrel is like a lazy river, and your aging liquid is just floating along, but without some movement, the flavors can become stagnant, leading to an uneven taste. That's where rotation comes in. Every 2 to 3 weeks, give your barrel a quarter turn. This helps to redistribute the liquid, ensuring that all those delicious flavors are evenly distributed. While you're at it, take a moment to inspect your barrel for any signs of wear and tear. Pay close attention to the joints, as these are prime spots for leaks to develop. Okay, so you've aged your masterpiece, bottled it up, and now you're wondering what to do with your trusty barrel. You can't just toss it in the corner and forget about it. Proper storage is just as important as all the steps we've covered so far. First things first, give that barrel a good cleaning. We need to remove any residue that might be clinging to the inside, which could lead to off flavors down the road. A simple solution of water and citric acid works wonders for this. Once it's squeaky clean, fill that barrel about halfway with the same water and citric acid solution. This helps to keep the wood hydrated and prevents it from drying out. And don't forget to seal it up tight with the bung. There you have it, folks. Everything you need to know to keep those wooden barrels in tip-top shape. Remember, a well-maintained barrel is an investment. It's not just about preventing leaks, it's about ensuring that every drop of your aged creation is bursting with flavor. So, go forth, my friends, and age with confidence. And remember, if you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more barrelific content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy aging. Thanks for watching. By following these tips, you can keep your wooden barrels in prime condition for years to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and guides.